Sixth question. How many 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5? 3-digit. What's here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all single digit. Now 11, 12. These are 2-digit number. Okay. Till 99. Till 99 it is 2-digit number. 100, 3-digit number. The first smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now 100, 101, 102, 103, 4 and 5. What they are telling, from 5, how many numbers, 3 digits can be divisible till 999. Till 999 is 3-digit number, because 1000 is 4-digit number. So we have to find till 999. So 100, it's 5. 5 means it's going 0, 5. It's going on for 5 tables. 100, 105, 110, 150, 120, like this. And the last number which is going is 995. Means 5 is there. 995 is your last number of 3-digit. And we are starting, this is the first number and this will be the last number. This will be the first number. Why? Because 100 is divisible by 5. The smallest number, and this will be the greatest number. Smallest number, smallest 3-digit natural number divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 is 100. Is 100. The largest 3 or greater, largest or greater. Three-digit natural number divisible by 5 is 995. See here, 995 and 100. Now, which each number is going? We have tried that only. 100, 105, 110, 115, dot, 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 and the last number will be 995. Now, this is T1, T2, T3, T4. A is equal to T1 is equal to 100. A is equal to 100 here. Now we have to find difference. T2 minus T1. T2 is 105 and T1 is 100. The difference will be 5. T3 minus T2. 10 minus 105. The difference is 5 here also. Therefore D is equal to 5. Here you got A. Here you got D. Now put your formula here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Now your Tn. Tn means what? See here. Tn is equal to last number. Last number we have found here. 9995. 9995. Here A is 100, Tn is 995 and D is 5. Here we have to find n. Only n we have to find. Instead of Tn, we will write here 995. Tn is equal to 995. A, we got 100. A, we got here 100. A 100 plus n, we don't know, minus 1, and D is 5. T is 5. Now n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to, see here, first if you take this 995, 100 bring here, it will become minus n minus 1 bracket n 5. 995 minus 100, 5, 9, 8, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5. Is equal to minus 1 bracket multiply by 5. 8, 9, 5 multiply sign is there. 5 bring here, it will become division. Multiplication will become division. Is equal to n minus 1. Cancel it. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5. 3. 7s are 35. 39 minus 35, 4. 9s are 179. 179 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 179 minus 1. Bring here left hand side, it will become plus. 180 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 180. Now, what are they asking? How many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? Therefore, how many 3-digit number? Therefore, 180 3-digit natural number divisible by 5 are divisible by 5. Again, see here. How many 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5? We have to find. The smallest 3-digit number divisible by 5 is 100, and the greatest 3-digit natural number which is divisible by 5 is 995. Here T1, T2, T3, T4, how are we getting? 100. After 100 it is coming 105. Second number which is going by 5. And the third number will be 110, 115, 120, like this, etc. And the last number will be 995. Now here A is equal to T1 is equal to 100, the first number. The second number is T2. T2 minus T1, you get 5. 5. The difference will be 5. And A is equal to 100. Now, the last number which we have got here is 995. The 995 will be the last term. The last term will be 995. But we have to find n. N means how much number? And which is this number? N is. For that we are using the formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 D. Now Tn is 995. A you got 100 plus n minus 1 and D is 5. D is 5, A is given and Tn B is given here. 100 left hand side, it will become minus 895. This is as it is. There is no sign, means here multiplication is there. Multiplication 5, bring here, it will become division. Cancel it, 179. 179 is equal to n minus 1. 179 minus 1, bring here, it will become plus 1. 180. Therefore, n is equal to 180. Therefore, 180 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5. Exercise 3.2, sum 7. The 11 terms and the 21st terms of AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find the 41st term of AP. Now here, see here. Let the first term be A. Let the difference be D. Difference be D. Sorry, D. Okay. Let the first term be A, and then let the difference be D. Now Tn. Now Tn here. First we are taking 16. Now Tn is here 16. Then n will be 11 term, means n is 11. Tn is 16. For 16, 11 is there. For 16, 11, n is 11. Now here put your formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 D. Tn we got here 16. A we don't know. We have taken first term as A. N is 11 minus 1, and D as it is. 16 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, 10 D. 11 minus 1, 10, and this is D. Equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. Now here Tn and n. See here Tn means of 29. We are talking about here 29. Tn is 29 and n will be 21st. N will be 21. Here same formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 D. Now here Tn is 29. A we don't know, plus n. N is 21 minus 1 D. 29 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1, 20 D. This is equation number 2. Now A plus 10D is equal to 16. Same. Equal to sign means same. For easy, we have taken 16 here and as it is. Equation number 1. A plus 20D is equal to 29. Equation number 2. See here. A plus 20D is equal to 29. Equation number 2. Now here A is same and plus plus. So you have to subtract equation 1 by equation 2. Minus, cancel. Minus 10D is equal to minus 13. 29 minus 16, 13. Minus cancel. Therefore D is equal to 13 upon 10. Therefore D is equal to 13. 10 means one number decimal point. Therefore D is equal to 1.3. Here you got D 1.3. Substitute the value of D in equation number 1. A plus 10D is equal to 16. Equation number 1. A we don't know. 10 multiplied by D. D is 1.3 is equal to 16. A plus 10 multiplied by 13 upon 10. Why 13 upon 10? We are removing the decimal point. Is equal to 16. 10 and 10 cancel. A is equal to 16. A plus 13 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 13. A is equal to 3. Here A is 3. A is equal to 3. Here you got D and A. Now we have to remove the 41st term. So formula is Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 d. This is your formula. Now here n is given 41. N is given 41 here. A we got 3 plus n 41 minus 1 and d is 1.3 and d is 1.3 here. Here Tn, n is here 41 and n. 41, A is equal to, see here, n is 41, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 1.3. Now you have to find Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. This is your formula. Now Tn 41, A 3 plus n 41 minus 1 D 1.3. 41 minus 1 40 multiplied by 1.3. 3 plus 40 multiplied by 13 upon 10. We are removing the decimal point here. 0 0 cancel. 13 multiplied by 4. 13 multiplied by 4. 4 is 12. 52. 52 plus 3. 52 plus 3. It is coming 55. Means Tn is equal to 55. Now what is asking? Find the 41st term of the AP. Therefore, T41 is equal to 55. The 41st term. Therefore, the 41st term of this AP is equal to 55. Is equal to 55. Exercise 3.2, 8 sums. Which terms of AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 dot dot and the last term is minus 151. We have done this sums like this sums in the difference divisible of 5, 100, 105, 110 and the last number was 995. Similarly sums is there. Here you have to find n. Now your first 11, 8, 5, 2. See here. This T1, T2, T3 and T4. A is equal to T1 is equal to 11. The first number means A is equal to 11. You got here A. Now we have to find the difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to D. Or D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is your formula. T2 is 8 minus 11 minus 3. T3 minus T2. T3 5, 8 minus 3. Here D is 3. Here you got D is equal to minus 3. Tn is equal to last number 151 minus 151. See here this Tn. Now you have to find here n. N you have to find. Tn you got minus 151 and you don't know. So all this is given here. Formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 D. Now Tn is minus 151. Tn is equal to minus 151. A is 11. Bracket n you don't know. N minus 1. D what here? Minus 3. D is minus 3. See here. A 11. D minus 3, Tn minus 151, and N we don't know as it is. Minus 151, bring this 11 here, it will become minus 11. Minus 11 is equal to N minus 1 minus 3. N minus 1 minus 3. This is here multiplies the here. Here multiplies there. You can write like this, multiplication. This multiplication is there. 151 and 11. 151 minus 11. 2, 6, 1. Minus 162. This is minus 162 is equal to N minus 1. N minus 1 into minus 3. Now 162 minus 162 as it is. Bring here this multiplication minus 3 here. It will become division. Multiplication will become division. Sign will not change. You have to change this sign. Plus multiplication will become your division. Minus minus cancel. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. Remainder 1. 3 4s are 12. N minus 1. (54) is equal to N minus 1. Now minus 1, bring here 54 plus 1 is equal to 1. 55. 54 plus 1, 55 is equal to N. Therefore N is equal to 55. Now what is asking? Which term? Therefore 55th term. Therefore 55th term is the answer. Again I am explaining this. T1, T2, T3, T4. A is equal to T1 into T1 and 11. Means this is A. Here you got A 11. Difference is you remove. Your D is minus 3. Minus 3. And the last number is Tn. Tn is minus 151. N you don't know. You have to find the N. You have to using the formula. You will get here 54. 54 is equal to N minus 1. Yeah. 54 minus 1, bring here, it will become plus 55. Therefore N is equal to 55. Exercise 3.2, 9 sums. How many natural number from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? In the first we have done the divisible by 5. Now here it is divisible by 4 after 10. After 10 means 11. 11 is not going, but 12 is going in 4 table. 16, 4 tables. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, dot dot dot. And the last number, the last will be, see here, 250. Before that it will be 248. The last number which is divisible by 4 is 248. In that sums which we have done previous sums, it was 995 and the first number was 100. It was 100 and the last number was 995. Here the first, it is 12. Why? After 10 11 is coming, but 11 is not going by 4, but 12 is going, and the last number means 250 is there. 250, before 250 248, which is going by 4, but 250 is not going by 4. 248. Now here T1, T2, T3, T4. A is equal to T1 is equal to 12. A you got here 12. Difference is equal to T2 minus T1. T2, D is equal to T2 is 16 and T1 is 12. D is equal to 4. Here you got D 4, A 12 and Tn. Tn means last number 248. The last number was 248. Now here you have to find n. How many numbers? Natural numbers. Formula. Tn is equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 d. This is your formula. Tn we got here 248. Tn is 248 is equal to a we got here 12 plus n we don't know, minus 1 as it is, and d is 4 here. Multiply sign. 248 bring here, it will become minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 248 minus 12, 6. 4 minus 1, 3, 2. 236 is equal to n minus 1 bracket 4. 236, see here, this 4 is coming here. Multiply sign is there, it will become division. N minus 1. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, remainder 3. 4 9s are 36. 59 is equal to n minus 1. 59 is equal to n minus 1. 59 is equal to n minus 1. 59 minus 1, it will come here, it will become plus 1 is equal to n. 60 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 60. Now what they are asking, how many natural number? Therefore 60 natural number is divisible by 4. How many natural number from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? Therefore 60 natural number from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Exercise 3.2, sums number 10. The 17th term of AP is 7 more than the 10 terms. Find the common difference. Let the first term be A. Let the difference, common difference be. First term is A and the common difference is D. Now here n and here also n given. 17 term and 10 term. Here 17 is there and here n is 10. See here 17 term and 10 term means n is 17, n is 10. Now formula Tn is equal to n plus a plus n minus 1 d. This is your formula. Tn, T we don't know, n is given here 17. A plus A we don't know, n is 17 minus 1 d. A 17 minus 1 16 d. 16 d. Now here same formula. Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 d. Tn, here n is 10. We don't know. 10 minus 1 d. 10 minus 1 9 d. The term of AP is 7 more than the 10th term. Find the common difference. Here you have to find the common difference. Now you see here, this was 17th term. A plus 16 here right here by equation condition, this is your 17 term and this is your 10 term. This is your 17 term and this is your 10 term. You have to not write this 17 terms here. 17 term is a plus 16d. Here 10 term is a plus 9d. But 7 more, which is more than 10 terms. Here you have to write here plus 7. Plus 7. A, bring this a will become minus. Plus 16d, bring this here 9 minus 9 is equal to 7. See here, a as it is, bring this here, it will become minus, plus 16, bring this here, it will become minus. This 2 and this 2 you have to take. Plus and minus cancel. 16 minus 9. 7d is equal to 7. Therefore, d is equal to 7 upon 7, cancel 1. Therefore, d is equal to 1. Here you got d 1. Find the common difference. Therefore, the common difference is equal to 1. Therefore, the common difference is equal to 1. Again, I am explaining this. First term we don't know. We have taken a and the difference is d. Now here the 17th term, n is 17 and 10th term, n is 10. Formula 17 a, n is 17 here, minus 16 here, a plus 9d. You have to take 16 plus d and a plus 9d here, and plus 7 is 7 more than, and then you will get d is equal to 1.